Tired of that plain looking black and white traditional graphic design on your t-shirt? Well, let me introduce you guys to our Siser Aurora. Hey guys, I'm Rudy with Siser, and today we're talking about one of our best-selling products under the special effects range, the Siser Aurora. Now, what exactly is a Siser Aurora product? This is a beautiful iridescent finish product that, if you look closely, it also imitates the twill effect. So it's a really unique product and it can elevate any basic design to that next level. Let's talk a little bit more about this product, how we can cut it, weed it, and apply it. All right, so the first step, we're gonna cut our design. Now, the Aurora is a typical heat transfer material, so we're gonna mirror the design, cutting it on the back side of the material. All right, so we'll place this directly into our plotter. Now, the Aurora is around 200 microns, so it's right between, medium thickness. So we can use either a 45-degree blade or a 60-degree blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my blade at the origin point, and we're gonna go ahead and cut our design. All right, so looks pretty good to me. Looks like a great cut. Let's go ahead and now weed the excess material. Now look how nice and easy this material weeds. This is what we love to see with the heat transfer, something that's easy to weed, and that is beautiful. All right, so now we got the design weeded. Let's go ahead and do the application. We're first gonna do a quick pre-press. That's gonna allow us to remove any wrinkles and moisture from the garment. This should be a quick process, 3 to 5 seconds. Now we are ready for the application. So I'm going to place the transfer directly onto our garment. That looks pretty good there. Let's go ahead and apply. 150 degrees, 15 seconds. Okay, we're ready to go there. And there it is. So with the Aurora, we must leave it to cool before we remove the carrier. And we will remove that now that we let the design cool. I will guide it as I go so it doesn't stretch my garment. And there we have it. Now look how beautiful that iridescent finish, those colors it gives off as the light is hitting it. Now that is what we're looking for with a unique creative design like this. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to take that plain old boring design to the next level using our Siser Aurora. Now if you guys have any more questions regarding this product, or you want to check out the full color line, check out our website, www.siser.com. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.